Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the part 2 video of answering the question, what is the volume of the triangular prism? And so in the second part, video number 2, in answering that question, let's go over some key knowledge, skills, and abilities, K, S, and A. I want to show you when you're looking at volume, right? Volume measures, it's like measuring the soda inside of a soda can, right? So here's your soda can. We're measuring the liquid. That's the difference between area, which I went over in the part 1 video, and volume. Volume is usually kind of like a liquid, and you're measuring how much liquid can we put into this can. But this particular question, we're looking how much volume can we put inside that triangular prism. So again, volume measures the inside of a 3D shape, three-dimensional shape, like water inside the shape of the triangular prism. And the formula to find the volume of a triangular prism, formula to find the volume of a triangular prism is area of the base. Remember, we have a triangular base in this prism. I went over a video. If you missed it, go back and watch. I went over on steps and videos. I think there were 2 videos on how to find the area of the base of this triangular prism, which is 1/2 times the base times the height of that right triangle. Okay? But in order to find the volume of this triangular prism, we're going to take that area, which I'm showing you the formula here, and we're going to multiply that value times the height of the triangular prism. I don't want to confuse you now. When we found the area of the base, which was a triangle, we multiplied 1/2 times the base times the height of the triangle. This big blue H is the height of the triangular prism. Okay, so we took, in finding the area of the base, using the triangular formula, 1/2 times base times height, we took the height of the right triangle. This big blue H represents the height of the prism. The height of the prism. So let me try to show you what that looks like here with this next segment that I have. So again, in the diagram, the triangular prism is on its side, right? So we need to determine the base. We need to tilt the prism up onto its base, which happens to be a right triangle, right? It happens to be a right triangle. And so let me show you that here again. As I was mentioning prior, we took the base of 3, the height of 4 of the base of the triangle. We multiplied base times height times 1/2 to get the area of this triangle. And I'm going to show you that here to the right. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, I want to make this nice and simple and easy. All right, so in order to find the volume of the triangular prism, we take the area of the base, which again, 1/2 times 3 times 4. That's the area of this triangle. Then we're going to multiply that times the triangular prism's height. And you see here that height is 8. So 1/2 times 4 times 3 times the height of the prism, which is 8. Okay. If you've been watching the previous questions using the shape, I think you already know what the area of the base, the triangle, is. Multiply that times the height. Hey, you got your volume in meters cubed. Meters cubed. Thank you for joining me in this part 2 video and answering the question, what is the volume of the triangular prism? Stick around. We're going to finish answering that question in part 3 video, and I'm going to have some suggestions for you to search the internet for worksheets with answers. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step.